Unit 9. What do you want to do after you graduate? Do you study?
Yes, I study at the university.
Oh. What subject do you study?
I am studying marketing.
Okay. And when will you graduate?
I will graduate next semester.
Okay. Will you continue to study for your master's degree?
No, not yet.
What will you do after you graduate?
I'm not sure yet. It depends.
Depends on what?
It depends on what kinds of job offers I get.
What do you mean?
Well, if I get a job that provides opportunity, I will take it.
What other jobs have you applied for?
Oh, I've made many applications to all kinds of companies.
Okay. What kinds of companies did you apply to?
Hotels, factories, import companies.
What if you get a job far away from home?
I would rather stay close to my family.
What will you do if you cannot find a job?
If I cannot find a job, I will stay in school and study for a master's degree.
A master's degree in what faculty?
I'm not sure yet. I'll have to think about it.
inshallah cashira ku xigi doono waa sidaan idin ballan qaaday asxaabay please subscribe ino sar like-tana inagu dhiirigeliya cashirada kalena ha la soo daawado asxaabay please waa codsi ka imaaday 6 ku xagiisa